This is a German Waldzither, interpreted as forest zither, but it's really not a zither at all. It's more related to English guitar or Sauterne. 5 courses of strings, a single low bass C, and then double courses of G, C, E, G. It's got these interesting Preston or watch key tuners. Fortunately, an Autoharp tuning wrench fits it perfectly. This one's made in the mid-20th century by the Boehm Company.